Hello friends, in this video I'm going to talk about the ongoing research project building a flying prototype of an autonomous helicopter. And here is our lab, and I am a member of the team involved in the developing controls system and machine vision or computer vision software. So in this video, I will talk about the 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 initial prototype of the system and how it is controlled. As you already see here, the system is consisting of two main brushless motors, and these two motors are utilized for obviously for flying the entire system. So these are two servo motors for controlling the pitch and the rolling and pitching of the system. And here, this is the IMU, the main section, the main sensors that it consists of the gyroscope and accelerometer, and the other sensor like a thermal temperature sensor and the other sensor as well. And here is the main motherboard of the controlling section, consisting of the uh, Arduino Mega. So this one is utilized for sensing the input of the system and controlling the output of the system. So as you know, the input of the system is the IMU, Inertial Measurement Unit, and the output system of this is of the output of this board. I mean the Arduino board are the motors, and the brushless motors and the servo motors. The brushless motors are controlled by two main electronic boards. I mean the ESC, electronic speed control, which they control the as already mentioned, they control the brushless motors. And at the same time, this electronic board, I mean the Arduino board, is controlling the servo motor in order to control the pitching and rolling phenomenon of this helicopter. The PID controllers is utilized for obtaining feedback from the IMU system. I mean the IMU of the system, inertial measurement unit of the system. This system IMU gives the status of the system to our controlling algorithm in order to control the brushless motors and the servo motors. In this step, we are using the remote sensor, but however, in the next step, we will utilize the GPS based control of the system in order to make the helicopter autonomously fly by itself. And in the next step, we are going to install the Raspberry motherboard in order to develop the machine vision software. And the prime objective of this helicopter is to detect fire in forests and jungles. So this is the entire prototype of the system. In the next videos, we will talk about we will talk about more details about the control system and the machine vision software. Thank you. See you next videos.